Niagara Falls, a natural wonder you have to see at least once in your lifetime. From the moment we were stepped onto the grand view observation deck, we were struck by the immense power and beauty of the waterfalls. The view across the entire cascade was breathtaking and gave us a hint of what was to come on the boat ride. At Hornblower Cruise Point, we boarded the boat that would take us right into the action. There was a sense of excitement in the air. All the passengers had put on their raincoats and we began to understand why. Anticipation mixed with a healthy dose of respect. The ride began slowly. First, we passed the American Falls, an impressive waterfall that stretches over a long distance. Here we could watch other boats battling through the spray. But the highlight was yet to come. As we approached Horseshoe Falls, the air became electric. The cloud of mist rising from the falling water was so dense that you could hardly see anything. The boat was tossed back and forth by the strong currents, and the noise was deafening. It felt like being thrown into a giant mixer. The power of the water was overwhelming. On the way back, we watched other tourists walking towards the American Falls. Their raincoats were soaking wet and their faces beamed with excitement. It was clear that they had also had an unforgettable experience. The boat ride was definitely an adventure. We were soaked to the bone, but the impressions we gained were priceless. Niagara Falls is a place where you can experience nature in all its power. That's it. Greetings to everyone wherever you are.